Alright guys, what's going on today? Gun tubers. What we got here, we got my Uzi Pro, and I'm going to break it down for y'all today. And let's open up the case, take a look here, take a look. There she is. And we're going to break her down because I've been watching on YouTube. I was trying to figure out how to clean this sucker, and there's a lot of videos on how to break it down, but they don't break the bolt down. So I had to play with it a little bit to make sure I did it right. Didn't break it down and couldn't put it back together. So we're gonna show y'all how to break the bolt down too. All right, let's get to it. All right guys, here she is out of the case. And done a couple of different things since you might have seen her last. Got this little charm on here, IWI. And I've got this micro compensator on here that I put. And yeah, I know I just put my finger in front of the barrel, so we better clear this thing first. So go ahead and drop the mag. I don't have one in the chamber, and I knew that already. But here we go, YouTube compliant 20 round magazine. We'll go ahead and clear it. She is clear. All right, so to break her down, here's what you do. I'm gonna go ahead and take my little tab off first, get that out of the way. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is take off the dust cover, which is up here. There's a little button right there, you push that in, and it just pops off, just like that. There's your bolt. So pull the bolt out, pull it back, angle it up, and this whole bolt slides out. Now the barrel, really simple. Push this button in, unscrew this locking device. That comes off. There's your barrel. Nice and clean, because I've already cleaned this thing. So that's one piece. Clean out the feed ramps right there, and then just, you know, it's all stamped metal, so nothing much to it. Okay, here's the bolt. Zoom in a little bit. Now take the bolt apart. What you're gonna do, take out these springs, just slide them straight out just like that. This is your buffer right here, a plastic piece of buffer. And then this piece comes out, just like that. I got it greased up good. Then the firing pin comes undone out of that little piece right there. See, it goes right there. And that's fully disassembled, ready to clean. Put it back together. So we put firing pin back in, and you're gonna have to like hold it up in there with your finger just to make sure it stays put while you put the rest of it together. So, all right, so find out which way it goes, just like that. Okay, that's together. Now you're gonna put the springs back in. Make sure they're lined up. There you go. That's it. Okay, reassembly. First thing we're gonna do is put the bolt back in. So the way you do this, you angle it back in where you got it from, right there. And that's spring loaded. So you just pull it back like you're pulling charging handle back, and it's in. All right, easy enough. Then you get your barrel. It'll have a slot where it goes in, just like that. And then you're gonna screw this on, your locking device. Make sure the threads are lined up correct. Get it good and tight. There you go. All right, so let's put the dust cover back on. Put the front end first, like that. And then this just goes straight down. Clips in. Do a function check. You're good to go. That's how you break down the Uzi Pro for cleaning. All right, guys, that's all we're gonna do today. We're out. Peace.